Ever had your payment processor go down mid-sale? Even a short outage can mean lost orders, failed checkouts, and frustrated customers. Here's how you can map out your transaction flow manually. In Google Sheets, you can outline where each payment goes, from your customer through your main processor and to your bank. You can even include a backup processor in the diagram to plan for outages. But while this helps you understand the flow, it won't actually move payments automatically when something goes wrong. If your main processor stalls, you would still lose transactions until you intervene. That's exactly what EasyPay Direct prevents. The transaction routing feature automatically redirects payments across multiple accounts, so your checkout keeps running even if one processor goes down. And in their FAQ and how e-commerce credit card processing works, they explain how each transaction is authorized and settled behind the scenes, helping you see how that routing keeps your store online and cash flow steady. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check out how their automatic transaction routing protects your store from downtime and lost revenue. Don't risk losing sales from a single processor failure. With EasyPay Direct, your payments stay live, stable, and connected. The link to get started is right there in the description when you are ready.